Charvi,
Yes, sir.
tell me something about you in brief, not more than a minute, so that I can understand what Charvi is all about.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Charvi Mathur. I'm basically from Udaipur, Rajasthan. I did my schooling from St. Anthony Senior Secondary School, where I got 89 percentage in 10th and 85 percentage in 12th. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering with an average aggregate of 86 percentage. I did my internship from Hindustan Zinc Limited, where I worked as a project intern and I made a project on automatic pre-alerting voice system. Uh, Also, I have apart from these, I have technical skills like in PCB designing, field programming, and about microcontrollers. And my hobbies are traveling and gardening. That's all about me.
Okay. So, what kind of places you have traveled as of now,
Sir,
till as on today?
I've traveled in
How
Uttarakhand and
many cities
Himachal.
you have traveled
Sir, in
in count?
Rajasthan and out of Rajasthan,
In count.
in
How many
count,
cities?
sir,
Cities. Rajasthan is the state. How many
yes, sir.
cities you have traveled till date?
Sir, 7 to 8,
Only 7 to 8. What is your age?
21.
21. So 7 to 8 cities is enough if somebody has the interest towards traveling.
Sir, it depends. Like, uh, it depends.
So how many
Uh,
cities you want to travel in future till the end of your life?
Sir, I want to travel all the states of India, and after that, I want to travel abroad also.
Okay. So where you want to travel abroad first?
Sir, Australia.
Somebody will give you the chance that you can travel anywhere in any country. So what will be your first choice?
Sir, Australia.
Australia. Why Australia? I just wanted to know something more about Australia because you have the passion towards traveling. You have something in
Yes,
your
sir.
mind that if you will get a chance to travel outside, you will travel to Australia. Then definitely you must be knowing more about Australia. So I just wanted to know that.
Sir, its scenic beauty is very good, and its cities like Sydney and Melbourne, they are really like everyone should travel that place. So,
Something more.
uh,
Because I'm
sir, I
not
don't.
traveling enthusiastic. I'm not traveling lover, right? You are a traveling lover, and you want to go out. Then you want to go first at Australia. So if you have to convince me that I also have to visit Australia first, then how you will convince me?
Sir, so about there is Sydney and Melbourne, so that are the places which attracts the tourists.
Okay, in Australia only two cities are famous.
So mainly these two cities are famous.
Okay, Australia comes under which continent, or is it a continent?
So it is a continent. Australia is a continent itself.
It's not a country.
No,
Okay, Australia is not a country.
no, it is a continent.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
तो ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया देश ये है, ऐसा क्यों बात करते हैं, फिर देश क्यों बोलते हैं उसको?
Sir, maybe many of people don't know about this. That's
Okay,
why.
Tavi, what is your dream regarding your career?
Sir, I want to get a job in a company and I want to use my technical skills for the growth of the company and especially in embedded system, embedded software uh, development.
Okay, somebody, a engineer, if they are getting a technical job, they only can do a technical work, or anything more than that also they can do?
Sir, if they have good communication skills, so they can go for the management part also.
If somebody
So
is
yeah,
not having good communication, then also they cannot go for management.
Sir, they can go, but this is the main, I think, the capability, good communication skills. That is much more important. That's why.
Okay. Communication is most important to become a manager in future.
Yes, I think.
So how engineering
It's
student
important everywhere, not only.
starting at a GET level, how they are becoming manager, vice president, president,
Yes, sir.
and CEO of that company? You have told that if somebody, an engineer, if they have to go for the management role, they have to have a good communication, right?
Yes.
So any technical personnel who starting as a GED, they are also reaching at the top positions without having any management knowledge, as well as might be they are very good in communication or not. That also matters. So how they are reaching?
Because of their experiences, their knowledge, plus their other activities like communication is definitely one of them.
How is your software knowledge, Chavi?
Sir, I have good software knowledge for key programming, programming for microcontrollers, C and C++.
So why you are not going for the IT jobs? There are also IT jobs available. The electronics students are also getting offers. Why you thought about going for the core manufacturing? Might be the growth can be slow.
No, sir. As I said, that I have good programming skills for microcontrollers, which can be used in hardware. So real-time operations like LCD display. So that is all part of electronics. So if I am doing engineering in electronics, I would go for that only, not for the IT company.
Okay. So your main interest area, first interest area is what? To be a part of electronics company or to be a part of IT company?
To be part of electronics company.
Okay. If Google will come to hire you, then also you will not join.
Sir, it depends. What else are the parameters? The package, the
What else?
location.
What else? The
What
package
else are
is
the
three
parameters?
times. The package is three times what you are getting in secure.
Sir, but if I'm not getting the satisfaction by doing the work, that's no point for joining Google.
It means the IT people are not getting job satisfaction in their job.
Sir, that is their core field, and they have interest in that. That's why they are joining.
So we have heard that the electronics people are doing more growth in IT companies in compared to the computer science candidates.
So can you repeat?
Yeah,
So can you repeat what you have said?
we have heard the electronics student are getting more growth in IT companies in compared to the computer science candidate.
Okay.
So why you don't want to go for the IT companies? Electronics people are getting more growth.
Sir, I think the foremost thing is that they have interest. So they are from the BTech. In the BTech itself, they are preparing for the IT only. Uh, I think that's the main point. Like I have interest in electronics, designing the circuits and all. So I would go for electronics only.
ओके अगर हम आपको युगांडा भेजे अफ्रीकन कंट्री में आफ्टर गेटिंग सिलेक्शन इन आवर कंपनी देन आल्सो यू विल गो फॉर 2 year स्टार्टिंग
Sir, in electronics company.
नहीं नहीं हमारी कंपनी में अगर हमको
Okay.
युगांडा भेज दें अफ्रीकन कंट्री में आपको 2 साल के लिए क्यों हमारा प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है वहां पे तो
Yes,
आप
sir.
आसानी से चले जाएंगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
Sir, I will look at the other things also like family and like location wise. If there will be no problem, I will definitely join it. Like I will first think that what the package they are giving and what other accommodations they are providing me, what are the facilities they are providing me, and at what position they want me to work for. So After researching and analyzing everything, I will decide.
Okay. Okay, Charvi. Nice talking to you.
Right. So tell me about yourself, Charvi.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. My name is Chavi Mathur. I'm basically from Udaipur, Rajasthan. I did my schooling from St. Anthony Senior Secondary School, where I got 89% in 10th standard and 85% in 12th. Currently, I'm pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and my current aggregate is 86%. I did 2 months internship from Hindustan Zinc Limited, where I worked as a project intern and I made a project on automatic pre-alerting voice system. My hobbies are traveling, gardening, and dancing. That's all about
Right.
me.
Right, Charvi. So tell me, what did you do in your project at Hindustan Zinc?
Sir, that project was mainly about the to reduce the safety threat that were caused by the conveyor belts. In Hindustan Zinc Limited, conveyor belts are used for transportation of bulky materials and zinc sulfide. So its drag points and it are very dangerous for the workers who are working near it. If a finger is also touched in that, then it will drag the whole body. So if workers are not aware that the conveyor is in working condition, then it may be dangerous for them. So whenever the conveyor is going to start, there will be an announcement that conveyor number 1 or conveyor number 2 is going to start. So they can take some precautionary measures.
तो आपने क्या किया वहां पे? What did you
Sir,
do?
I made this project. I made this project and it is implemented there at Hindustan Zinc Limited.
So what did you do? Made this project meaning what? What did you do?
Sir, I learned about the embedded system. This whole project was based on the microcontroller and its working. So I learned about the embedded systems and microcontroller working.
Okay, learning तो एक चीज हुई, उसके अलावा आपने कुछ किया? Did you do anything? You said you made this project. So what did you do with that?
Sir, I also apart from this, I learned about there are many instrumentation. There is an instrumentation department, so I learned about there were also quality management tests. They were using Six Sigma methods. So I don't know much, but I just learned about that. How
So
to
what is Six Sigma?
control.
What is Six Sigma?
It is a quality management methodology. So they are using how to define the process and how to measure, how to analyze the defects in the product, and how to control it.
Mm-hmm. What is Six Sigma level of defect?
Yes, sir.
What is Six Sigma level of defect?
Sir, I don't know much about it.
Okay.
Few questions from my side. So you have talked about embedded system.
Yes, sir.
So can I say microcontroller is embedded system or not?
Yes, sir. It is an embedded system. It is a part of embedded system.
No, it's an embedded system or it's a part of embedded system?
Sir, it's an embedded system because it performs a specific task. So yes, a real-time operation. So yes, it is an embedded system.
Okay, so on what basis we will define it's a you can say single component or it's a embedded system example? On what basis you will differentiate these two things?
Sir, if there is interfacing between two components or many components, then it is an embedded system, and otherwise it is a single component.
But microcontroller is still not a single component, no? It has lot of components on a single chip. So how we can say it's a single?
It works on real-time operation, like it takes input from the external event. There are timers, so that's why it is an embedded system. It performs a specific task.
Okay. So your 8051, I think you have heard 8051 microcontroller.
Yes, sir.
So what type of IC package it is using?
Sir, dual inline package, DIP package.
DIP package. Okay, good. Okay, so what is the capacity of ROM in 8051?
Capacity of ROM, it is,
Yeah,
sir, I think it is 128 bytes.
how much?
128 bytes.
128 byte. I am asking ROM. I am not asking RAM.
Okay,
You are
Sir, I
telling me RAM, not ROM.
sir, I
Okay, no
don't know.
issue.
I don't remember.
Have you heard about flash?
What?
You don't remember, no issue. So just go through all these specification also. Once you study any kind of microcontroller, at least you must know what is the, you can say, in-chip RAM, in-chip ROM,
Yes, sir.
and how we can extend our RAM and ROM up to which level, up to which limit. It is very necessary to know.
We extended up to 64 KB.
Okay,